welcome back to another video. You're watching Phones on Top today with me, Karishma, and today we are going to talk about a variant which is Samsung Galaxy Tab 4 8-inch screen size. Yes, आज हम बात करने वाले हैं Samsung Galaxy Tab 4 8-inch की. Talking about this variant, this was 2014 release model out here, having no SIM card technology. Yes, you will not find any cellular technology out here. You will find only the Wi-Fi technology. So this is actually popularly known as Samsung Tab 4 8-inch Wi-Fi. Yes, popularly it is known as this kind of a variant. If we talk about this variant, then we can say that this variant offers you a okayish weight. Yes, the weight is not very heavy, not very less, but still would be considered as a okay variant because offering you 320 grams of weighted phone. Yes, this offers you 320 grams weight. As well as when we talk about this variant, we can say that this variant offers you a great functionality, as well as this variant offers you a screen size of 8 inches. Talking about the screen size and the display, then we can say that it has got TFT capacitive screening along with 16mm colorization. So overall, if we talk about this variant, is quite a good version. As compared to Tab 4 10-inch screen size, no other difference could be seen out except the screen size as well as the operating system. And now let us talk about the operating system inbuilt in it because operating system is slightly different. In Tab 4 10-inch screen size, you will find that this variant has got 4.4-inch screen size, 4.4 Android 4.4. Point 1 was in Tab 10. Yes, Tab 4 10-inch screen size was 4.4.1. Whereas in Tab 4 8-inch screen size is Android 4.4.2. तो मतलब upgraded version है इसमें. Whereas the resolution has been resolved to 189 ppi at MCT, so the resolution is definitely resolved out there. But if we talk about internal functionality of this variant, talking about Samsung Galaxy Tab 4 8-inch screen size internal part, then we can say that Android 4 is working very well with the Snapdragon 400 processor as well as Quad Core processor out there. So they are working very well in the collaboration of this. But we find that it needs expandability because 16 GB storage is never sufficient for the users. So you get to have 16 GB storage capacity. Along with that, you get to have 1.5 GB storage capacity. RAM is 1.5. So internally, it is not very spacious, but you get to have expandability. So definitely, we can expand up to 64 GB. So that's why we can say that this variant offers you a good expandability too. Talking about this variant, we can say that expandability is because of a dedicated slot it has. Yes, it might not have a SIM card slotation, but has a dedicated slot for the expandability. You also find that this variant has got 3.15 megapixel rear camera and 1.3 megapixel selfie camera. It is exactly same as it was seen in the previous version of Tab 4 10-inch screen sizes. The same version was seen in the previous one. As well as when we talk about this variant, Tab 8, we talk about this variant. We can say that this variant offers you a great functionalities out there. Like it has got stereo type speakers, it has got 3.5 jack, it has got Wi-Fi, Bluetooth hotspot out there. It has got a good GPS system inbuilt in it. It has got infrared ported out there. You will not find any radio connectivity in this. Yes, radio connectivity is not possible out in this variant. Whereas you will find that this variant as compared to the previous version has got USB 2 type charging. Both the variants have USB 2 type charging, but this has got a better charging capacity out there. Now talking about the charging capacity, we can say it has got 4400 mAh battery. Yes, 4450 we can say specified with 4450 mAh battery, 4450 mAh battery. So overall, it gives you a good battery life of 4400. Now, giving a good battery life does not mean that it does not offers you a good talk time or offers you a great talk time. It offers you 11 hours talk time only, yes, with multimedia too. Whereas if we talk about the previous version, then that offers you 10 hours talk time with less battery mAh. So we can say overall this variant is offering you a okay battery life, not a very great battery life, but an okay battery life. Now let us talk about this variant where this is available at a great price, because pricing matters a lot. And when we talk about tab variants and these kind of variants, then they definitely need a great package out there. So let us visit our site. So this is the site I'm talking about, and the site name is phonezone.ae. This site offers you n number of gadgets out here in the category of all mobile phones. You get to have n number of gadgets, as well as you get to have a advantage of this variations where you get to have 6 months warranty, 7 exchange policy, COD and free shipping also. Yes, these are the advantages of having this website, because you get to have your favorite gadget under best pricing with 6 months warranty and 7 exchange policy. Apart from that, this search icon helps you to search your favorite gadgets within a limited period of time. And as we were talking about this site offers you free shipping and free home delivery. So the timing for delivery is about 48 hours. Yes, 48 hours in most parts of UAE and 1 week time in Saudi. For best pricing, visit out the website, which is phonezone.ae, or you can go to our description box for other details. Till then, take care.